Morning guys, 5:30. We're out at Bluewater. It's a little bit dark, so we've got the headlamps on, but we're enjoying the slightly cooler weather for a change. We're aiming for 5 hours today with a fair bit of elevation. We're 7 and a bit k's in, still overcast, so all is good, and we'll keep pushing on.
So we just hit 15 k's, so we're turning around now. We've been pretty slow and steady, I think about 2 hours 40, but it's a nice cool overcast day, so perfect temperature to be out for a run.
We've got about 7k to go before we're back to the car. We just thought we'd quickly stop in and show you this old hut. So it's a former Bluewater forestry station, and there's the hut behind us. You know, it's pretty impressive it's still standing given the type of weather it would have copped over time. Alright, off we go. Alright, 3k's to go, and it's just started to rain, which is actually not that bad because it keeps it nice and cool, and we're soaked in sweat anyway, so a little bit of water's not going to bother us, but almost there. And done.